These 3 prompts I'm going to show you will change your life for good this 2026. If you come across this video, congratulations to you if you have ChatGPT. Now, all you need to do is go to your ChatGPT. I'll be giving you 3 prompts, and these 3 prompts will change how you handle your business, your career, and everything. Even if you don't know where to start from, these 3 prompts will put you in line to what you need to know, right? So the first prompt is this. You tell ChatGPT, you ask ChatGPT, tell me everything you know about me over past conversations, my personality type, my insecurity, my goals, my fears, and what you think I actually want in life. Now you send. So ChatGPT will have to go through all of that. You see what I know about you. You are from Nigeria. You study chemistry at university. You have told me you are around 30 years old. You work as a clerk and all of that. Now, this is just my own information. If I should scroll down, we read more and more, you will see a lot of things about me that ChatGPT have recorded, right? So I'll be giving you second prompt now. This is just the first one, and you have to go through it properly, because ChatGPT at the end of the day, it will scale out how you are going to, tackle some skills, some businesses, some careers that is related to your personality that you may not have noticed all this while. The second prompt you ask ChatGPT, what are my biggest blind spots and the patterns that you notice that actually don't even see myself. Now you will send. Now you can see here where you said, this one of the most thoughtful question you have asked. Based on what you have shared across many conversations, I can't know what you don't see with certainty, right? But I can point out recurring patterns that stand out for our interactions. Now you see here, say you are highly future oriented, sometimes at the expense of the presence, right? Now you can see a successful YouTube channel, a Facebook page, genuinely help people, learning Flutter, creating an online business, financial independence, understanding psychology. These are some of the things I've known. You can go ahead to read a lot. I don't want to kind of share, because this is mainly like my own personal life that ChatGPT is helping me to to analyze. Now you will do this, and when you go through it, you see a lot of things for yourself, things that you don't even know that they exist, right? So that is it. You now ask ChatGPT, the third prompt is this: what's the single biggest thing holding me back, and what does my life look like 5 years from now if I never fix it? And now, if I fix that one thing, what would my life look like instead? Be specific. You now send this third one. Based on what you have shared with me across many conversations. So this is just it. You will have to go through all of this or at your own end. These 3 prompts is a total analysis of your personality, your career, things that you are capable of doing. So long you have been interacting with ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to break everything down, and at the end of the day, you are going to find your edge either in your business, in your career, in your personality, in your growth. And I'm not just joking. Try this out, and if you want to get these 3 prompts, say prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to send you the prompt straight away. Subscribe to this channel, please. See you on the next one.